Welcome to the Alert Reaction app. This application connects to your BrainFrame server to trigger real-world actions, like sending email alerts, playing sounds, and retrieving video clips when an alarm is triggered. Before we begin, please ensure both your BrainFrame server and the Alert Reaction app are installed and configured as described in the deployment guide. In this video, we'll walk through each tab to show you how to use the app. Let's start with the main monitoring tabs. The Live tab is your central dashboard. It shows you a real-time overview of activity, triggered notifications, and sound effects for each of your camera streams. The Alerts tab provides a detailed log of every triggered alert, including all notifications and sound effects. You can filter by camera, reaction type, and date to investigate specific events. The Activity tab shows the complete history of all events detected by BrainFrame, such as objects entering or leaving a zone, even if they didn't trigger a reaction. This is useful for a comprehensive review of everything the system has seen. On the Video Clips tab, you can view video segments that were automatically recorded from your NVR whenever an alert was triggered. Finally, the Parking tab allows you to upload a map of your parking lot and configure individual parking spaces to monitor their status. Now, let's look at how to set up your automated reactions. The Alarms tab is the heart of the application. This is where you connect a specific BrainFrame alarm to the real-world actions you want to happen, such as adding multiple notifications or sound effects. While notifications and sound effects are created from the Alarms tab, these dedicated tabs provide a simple list of every action you've configured across all alarms. The Users tab is where you manage a directory of contacts, including their names, phone numbers, and email addresses. These contacts can then be selected as recipients for notifications. The Sounds tab is your library for all audio clips. You can upload your own sound files, such as a warning message, or use the text-to-speech feature to generate audio directly from text. The final group of tabs is for system-wide configuration. The Settings tab is for critical system parameters. First, provide a unique site name, which will be used as a prefix in the subject line of all emails. If you have an NVR, configure its IP address and model under the video recorder settings. You can also adjust the master volume for different types of audio, like sirens and voice announcements. Most importantly, you must authorize the application to send emails by clicking Sign in with Google. When you click Sign in with Google, a new browser tab will open, asking you to choose an account. After selecting your account, Google will ask for permission for the app to read, compose, and send emails from your Gmail account, and view and manage pub/subtopics and subscriptions. Please click Allow to continue. A new tab will confirm that the authentication was successful. You can now safely close this tab. Remember, this authorization must be done from the local machine. If you attempt it remotely, you will see an access blocked error as shown. Once successful, the status will update to Sender is configured and ready. You can now use the Reauthorize button if credentials expire, or the Sign Out button to disconnect the account. Clicking Sign Out will ask for confirmation before disconnecting your account. The Servers tab is where you configure the connection URLs for both the Alert Reaction backend and your BrainFrame server. The Language tab lets you switch the user interface between English and Chinese. And finally, the Licenses tab displays the licenses for the open source libraries used in this application.